Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to solve the issue unexpected semicolon or new line. So this error is occurring for my function as well as the if statement. So I'll be showing you the solutions for this. In case if you're getting this error for your function, what you will do is you must have the curly bracket in the same line of your function name. So this is going to be something like this. Alright, it should be like this. So now the error has gone. Next thing is if you get the same error for your if statement like this, you need to have your curly bracket in the same line of your if statement like this, and same thing applies for else also. Your else should be in the same line as this curly bracket. So these three should be in the same line. This curly bracket and this if statement should be in the same line. This curly bracket and the function name should be in the same line. So now I'm not getting any errors and I can just run this program now. So it is working fine. So if you have any other solutions, please feel free to comment it down. So do check the playlist of my channel. Run a lot of videos in AI as well as AI tools and other CRUD operations. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.